When setting up a computer, whether it be a factory reset, you bought a new one, or you're building your own, eventually you're going to see this screen asking you to log into a Microsoft account or to create a new one. Well, you don't have to do that. You could use a local account. And I'm going to show you how to create one despite this screen here. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. So stay tuned and I'm going to show you how. Now, when you get to this screen during the installation process, we're not going to click sign in. We're going to use our keyboard instead. What we're going to do is we're going to hold down a couple of keys. We're going to press and hold Shift and F10. And if you have a laptop, use Shift Fn if it's on there, and then F10. That'll bring up this window, command prompt. Here, what we're going to do is we're going to type in start space ms-cxh local only, and then press enter. Here you're going to create a user for this PC, and that's what we want to see. So type in your name. My name is Paul. If you want to have a password, then just put a password in there and confirm it, and then click next. This is the final reboot for the installation. You'll see one last screen. Just click next to it after making your selections, and then you'll be Windows 11 with your local account that you just created. Now, the command that we use replaces an older one. Thank you, Microsoft, for making things easier. I hope my video was helpful to you. Leave me a like, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment. My name is Paul. This is Computer Doctor Tech. Thanks for watching.